Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Steam account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So to sign up for your Steam account, firstly open your Google search, type in Steam sign up and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Steam. To create your account, enter your email address, confirm your email address by re-entering it and choose your country of residence. Tick mark on I am not a robot as well as Steam subscriber agreement and world privacy policy to make sure you are 13 years of age or older than that. Press on continue. Now all you need to do is check your mail from Steam to complete your account setup. Go to your mail and click on email sent by Steam. Tap on verify my email address and your email will be verified. Now go back to the sign up page of Steam. Enter your Steam account name and password associated with your Steam account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and click on Done. You will now be successfully signed up for your Steam account. This is how you can sign up for your Steam account just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.